Happy August! Ah, we made it to over halfway part of the year. But we're starting off this month strong. I'm going to Rachel's birthday party at the Cheesecake Factory tomorrow afternoon, and the theme is Shrek. So we're all dressing up as Shrek characters. I am going as the magic mirror. So I'm at the thrift store right now, and I'm about to walk in and see if I can do this entire costume for like less than $10, and we'll see what we get. Okay, let's get started. So I've said before that I am moving. I'm in the process of moving, and everybody that knows me knows that I am a fashion girly. I love to style my outfits. I love buying new clothes. I love buying thrifted clothes, things like that. Like, clothes are very important to me, and accessorizing the body is very important to me. So just to like make the moving process a little easier, I have put away clothing that I'm not necessarily wearing right now. Just so like when I do move, I don't have to like put all of my stuff in trash bags and like move it all at once. Crazy. So right now it feels like I'm wearing the same 4 outfits over and over and over. And when you really like fashion, it gets so depressing not being able to adorn yourself in a way. It gets so depressing to not be able to adorn yourself in a way that makes you comfortable, makes you feel special and like yourself. So like for the past like 3 months, I've been super depressed because I just don't look the way I want to. And I know it's only temporary, but nigga, get out of the way! Stopping in the middle of the damn road. But I lost it. But I am hoping that when I do get into my new space, I am able to start making more of the content that I really want to. So like more fashion driven content. Because quite frankly, that's just what makes me happy, and it's something that I really aspire to do. So hopefully that turns out sooner than later. what is now 1 month away. I am looking for some easygoing furniture to fill the new space with. right now I'm hunting for a really nice sitting chair, a sofa, some lamps, and rugs, and maybe some dressers, but we will see about that. I can probably find some. Oh, and bookshelves. I really need bookshelves. That's actually top of the list. So I'm gonna show you guys the fit, and then we're gonna go. I'm actually really proud of this fit. I feel so cute. I'm gonna show you the fit, and then we are gonna head into the store.